Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. For me, Halloween is my Christmas. Okay. This video will consist of items I got from Joann's. I love Joann's during Halloween. They have some amazing items that you can't really find anywhere else. And they have stuff that you can decorate yourself, which I love. I got a few things to decorate for myself and some already pre-made items. It's just amazing, and they were on sale, 60% off. You can't beat it. Okay, this is like Christmas for me. Like, oh my god, love it. The first thing that I want to show you, because it's coming out of the bag, this bag has a major hole in it because I bought so many like things. Literally, it's falling apart. What the hell? Oh, I shop till I drop, so yeah. These are garland, and I don't know where I'm going to put them, but they're so awesome. They're like realistic. They look realistic looking and very simple, and I'm just going to use them as regular decor. Like, I don't know, I'll put them somewhere. They're freaking awesome. They look better than what they have shown right here. I know this is an example, but I saw them, I was like, I have to have them, and they were originally $15, but 60% off, 5 or 6 something, I don't know, I don't do math. Amazing. They're so simplistic, but fancy at the same time. I love how they're like really, like realistic looking. I don't know, I just really like them a lot. Going through my holy bag. This was awesome and simple. Eat, drink, and be scary. And isn't that a cute skull? It's from the Maker's Halloween collection. Definitely check out Joann's during the Halloween season. They're amazing. And this is really great material. It's really soft and durable. It has a really good feel to it. It's not all harsh like the ones from the dollar store that have that weird polyester material, and it just feels so disgusting on your fingertips. And if you have your nails done, it kind of makes them feel weird. It's just like super gross. This is really good quality. Going to use that for sure throughout the year. Like, not just for Halloween. Like, hello, what I was saying, Halloween is my decor season. Amazing and super cute. And simplistic. I'm all about simplicity. Like, it can look fancy and be simple at the same time. I'm just like into that. What I have here is awesome. It's a skull hand soap dispenser with soap in it. It's like super weighted. I'm lifting weights here. 1, 2. I'm going to get buff. +1 biceps right here. +0 biceps. Super heavy, but worth it. A lot of the stores have like super small ones that are about the same price that I paid for this one. This one was, I don't know, like $2 or something. Very cheap. The ones at Walmart were kind of tiny, or they didn't even have them. I think they were tiny. Anyway, this one you get a big bottle of hand soap for a great price. It's super cool. Like, you can't go wrong with skulls. I could be Shakespeare now. Moving along. Another skull themed item I have here is these candles. And they were super like expensive. Sorry. Skull candles. How amazing is that? I don't know how they smell. Let's check it out. Can I even open it? Like, I hate when they make stuff hard to open, like childproof. Like, I'm an adult child. I can't figure this stuff out. I'll take one out of here for you and show you. It doesn't really smell like anything, to be honest. It's just basic. But what got me is it's super cute. I haven't found anything like this at all. Anywhere. Like skull candles, like I haven't found that anywhere. When I sell them, I had to have them. They were originally $15. Don't pay full price. 60% off. It was a great deal. And you get 4 candles. And these will last you probably, you know, depending on how much you like to burn candles, these might last you a while. Which is really nice because I don't really burn a lot of like candles. I just like the look of them basically, and these are definitely something that I love the look of. Super excited to have these. There's nothing to them, but it's the decorum that matters to me. I'll show you what they look like burned. Oh yeah, I got these super cool socks. And they have kitties. They're kitty Halloween socks, and they're really long. What are they, thigh highs? Yeah, over the knee socks. Super cute. Awesome. Definitely wearing them during Halloween and maybe other times. Like, I don't care. Every day's Halloween to me. Super awesome. Love it. This Halloween, what is it? Halloween collection is amazing. I can't stress enough. Check out Joann's, the store. They have awesome fabric patterns. If you're into making things, they have just even amazing home decorum. I got garland, and it's the kind that you have to paint yourself, which I don't mind, but I already have some that I've made already, so I might actually paint these and sell them on my Mercari shop. My Mercari shop will be linked down below. Amazing products. Once again from Makers Halloween. I love this brand so much. They have so many cool and awesome items. Definitely check out my Mercari shop. These will be posted. Not sure how much I'll sell these for when it's done, but check it out if you want to. Not forcing anyone. Just, hey, why not? If you have time, check it out. This is going to be for me. I'm making a birdie house, and it's a coffin birdhouse. Isn't that awesome? But there's a twist to it. It lights up, and it already has the batteries included. How awesome is that? I'm obsessed. I don't want the light to burn out, so I'm turning it off. I'm turning the light off. Yeah, I'm actually not going to use this as a birdhouse. I'm going to hang it up somewhere in my room. Even if it's a birdhouse, I don't care. I'm going to hang it up somewhere. Maybe as like a night light or something. Place it somewhere, hang it up as just a ambiance item. I don't know, maybe on my, like, where my light is at night, it can hang up there or something. Kind of like a chandelier effect. I don't know, I'll find a place for it, but I thought it was super amazing and cool, and I'm like, I can paint it myself. How awesome is that? I love that so much. I love you so much. Those are all of the items I have. I didn't get a lot of things, but definitely check out Joann's for some seasonal decor. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you liked it, please give it a huge thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. Why not? It's free, and don't forget to be part of the notification squad. And you'll be notified when I post new videos. As always, I'll talk to all of you next time. Stay spooky, everyone. Bye.